They say New Year is about fresh starts, joy, and togetherness.
Hello!
And a Cambodian New Year, it's all that. And a whole lot wetter.
Happy New Year! Well, it's New Year in Cambodia, and what better way to soak in the spirit than starting our day right in the heart of the city? And I'm joined by local podcaster Sakura. Hi, Sakura.
Hi, right now we are at iconic Central Market.
The Central Market has been a landmark since 1937. Touristy? Yes, but locals still come here to prep for New Year.
We prepare the flower, we prepare the food, and especially for the fruit to welcome the angel. And we wish for the new year, the angel bring us a luck. We also use the lotto for the Buddha and also for the welcome the angel.
So Sakura, in my culture, we actually also prepare lots of flowers for the new year, and different flowers have different meanings.
We also take that flower for the celebrate on the Khmer New Year. But when the government or maybe the royal family, they hold the ceremony, they use that kind of flower.
Yeah, it does have this regal feeling to it.
And just like the Chinese New Year, there's decorating, praying, and a lot of eating.
Green bean and coconut. Delicious.
Yeah.
But something else here feels familiar.
Hello.
你好，新年快乐。
有 Alipay，
Alipay， 还有微信支付。
是。
哦。
This market knows its audience. Some vendors have been here for decades.
哦，我们在这里30多年了。
Others are just getting started, ready to hustle.
我看这里有中国过来买很多，我可以说啊。
你就是在这里自学的。
对。
你好年轻啊。
我25。
25。
对。没有老婆。
Clearly, this market is where everything happens. But after all that heat, it's time to cool off somewhere else.
Hello. And we are on the Mekong River.
Some people they don't plan to go to another province. They can come to riverside, take a boat, and enjoy the sunset.
As Sakura heads home to her family, I wasn't ready to call it a night, because the real party is just getting started.
Well, you can't say you've really celebrated Khmer New Year if you haven't been part of the water fight, and it seems the entire city is here. Oh, hi, Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
The water is supposed to wash away your sins and bad luck from the previous year, and the powder just smells nice. And I'm getting absolutely soaked, so I hope 2025 is going to be a splendid year for me. Woo!
Dancing through the streets, drenched in excitement, Khmer New Year is a time to reconnect, reset, and step into the future together. And that spirit is something we all share across Asia, across cultures.